as you can see, we have a pile of parts. We got one of the forks here, one of the forks tipped over there, front wheel, frame completely torn apart, and it's bare, ready to go to Fast Blast up in Boise. Triple clamp. Got the other triple clamp I'm going to take the bearing race off of. We got to take the slider and the bearings out of the swing arm, but it's ready to go after that. And then my next video will be tearing down this engine, getting everything internal out of there, and getting it ready for powder coat. But as you can see, we got everything torn up. We have quite the mess of parts going on around here. I just got to tear the internals out of the carburetor, the internals out of the suspension, the forks, tear apart the shock, and tear out the bearings from the triples and the swing arm. And we will be ready to go to coating. Here's that subframe. We're going to get that cleaned up there at Fast Blast. Like I said, we're just literally going to cut these spokes in half, pull them out, and so I don't need to do that because I can clean them up in my own blast cabinet with glass beads. But same thing with the calipers and the master cylinders, things like that. Everything will get cleaned up with a bead blast here. But most of this stuff's going to be sent up because we're going to coat the shock body. The engine's going to be beautiful. Dean did an awesome job last time with our YZ144 motor and made it look like new. And then the swing arm, not sure what color we're going to do that yet. The forks, the triples, everything's getting coated and cleaned up. It's going to look fantastic. Stick with us. We're calling this build the Euro Enduro Killer. Big bore RM250 with electric start, custom suspension, custom parts, and completely redone to make better than new. Stick with us, bro.